Friends, in this video we are going to study use which or that. Which is a relative pronoun used for person, animal or thing. It's a relative pronoun used for person, animal or thing. Rules: use which or that in the place of pronoun and complete that clause. Means where pronoun is used, that clause you have to write first. After using which or that in the place of that pronoun and complete that clause, use it for which noun it is used and complete the sentence. Find out for what noun it is used. That pronoun is used for which noun, that first you have to find out and write that noun. After that, write that clause replacing it by using which. For example, the food cannot be eaten, it is very stale. Now the food cannot be eaten is the first clause, it is very stale is another clause. Here in the first clause, food is noun and it stands for this food. It is very stale. So how will be the answer? The food which is very stale cannot be eaten. After that noun, you have to take that pronoun. Instead of this pronoun, use which, complete this clause and then write remaining words. Then you will get the sentence of which. The animals gathered near him. They heard his beautiful songs. This they stands for animals. So in the place of they, you have to use which. Immediately after this animal, you can use which and complete this clause and then write the first clause. So how will be the answer? The animals which heard his beautiful songs gathered near him. You can also say the animals gathered near him which heard his beautiful songs. Next example, the box is very heavy, it is very difficult to lift. Box is noun, it is pronoun used for box. So very simple to write, the box which is very difficult to lift is very heavy. He opened a tin, it contained black polish. He opened a tin which contained black polish. Mary was against vaccination, it was a sin for her. Vaccination, it is used for vaccination, not for the Mary. So immediately after this noun, use which and complete that clause. So how will be the answer? Mary was against vaccination, which or that was a sin for her. My passengers gave me words of praise. They encouraged my confidence. First clause, my passengers gave me words of praise. Passenger is noun. They encourage my confidence. They stands for the noun passenger. So immediately after this noun, take which, complete that clause and then complete the first clause. So how will be the answer? My passengers which encouraged my confidence gave me words of praise. Karnala is a small piece of forest. It is extremely beautiful. Karnala is a small piece of forest. It stands for forest. So immediately after forest, take which instead of this it and write the sentence. Karnala is a small piece of forest which is extremely beautiful. Mother brought an umbrella. It was red in color. Umbrella and it. Very simple to write. Mother brought an umbrella which was red in color. She stole a gold necklace. He managed to run away with it. Now for necklace there is no pronoun. So no need to write the pronoun. Immediately after this noun, use which and write the sentence. She stole a gold necklace which she managed to run away with it. In this way, we have studied a very simple way to use which or that in the sentence. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. If you have any doubt in any video, please comment after that video. I shall clear your doubts.